This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
It's morning in America, and that means it's time for waffles in the GoTranscript test kitchen. If you really want the best waffles, you have to go to Leslie Knope's favorite place, JJ's Diner. Sadly, due to the COVID shutdowns, the real JJ's Diner, 4 and 20 restaurant in Van Nuys, California, has shut its doors forever. Ironically, the one thing they never had on their menu was waffles. Lots of restaurants are closing around the world, so we here at GoTranscript have decided to fill the void by providing recipes for you to practice on. Maybe you'd like a little beef bourguignon with the side order of rum-soaked raisins. That was my grandpa's favorite. His theory was that if the beef didn't turn out okay, at least the rum would take away the memory. Nowadays, if you want to travel, you can, but you have to be really careful. I myself am traveling from Los Angeles to Phoenix, Arizona this week. I know I'm going to spend most of my time holed up in my hotel room. The fitness center is closed and the pool hours are limited, so I won't be getting any exercise outside. It's okay though, it's 115 degrees in the shade in Phoenix right now, so I'm happy to bask in the air conditioning and work on GoTranscript jobs. Air conditioning is a modern-day marvel, ain't it? I sure couldn't survive without it. Paradoxically, when I'm home, I'm the one turning the AC down while my hubby turns it up. Or is it the other way around? It's just that I'm usually freezing when he's burning up and vice versa. Maybe that's just a normal male-female thing, I don't know. Maybe somebody at GoTranscript can tell me. I do know that staying in a hotel these days is a whole different experience. If I didn't have my GoTranscript work to distract me, I'd be bored out of my skull. As I said before, no fitness center, no pool. Oh, and did I mention there's also no continental breakfast? Crazy. That's where you find the good waffles, at those hotel continental breakfast bars where you make them yourself. Of course, those hotel waffle makers aren't knowing, because if you forget to turn them over, a loud buzzing noise alerts everyone within a 3-mile radius. And my waffles always get burned. I wish someone at GoTranscript would provide me with a better recipe. Oh, hang on, let me consult my Aunt Myrtle's cookbook. One of my favorites is her GoTranscript raised hominy waffles. You add 1 cup of cold cooked hominy to 2 cups of scalded milk, in which 1/2 a yeast cake has been dissolved, 1 tablespoon of butter melted, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 cups of flour. Mix thoroughly and set to rise overnight. In the morning, you add 2 eggs beaten separately, folding in the stiffly beaten whites last. Bake in a very hot and well-greased waffle iron. As my Aunt Myrtle, a GoTranscript editor, liked to joke, if you can't raise harmony on Earth, at least raise some hominy for breakfast.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.